Earth contact rhythm. Wait, what is that? Something's breaking through. I need to locate the source. That wasn't just a tremor. Sounded directional. Check the comm rack. I felt it there. Through the housing, it's a structural pulse. Okay. Isolating the line now. All right, HAB1 isn't the problem. Let's check the outer shell. Earth contact is being interrupted. I'm tracing the pulse source now. I think it's coming from outside. Let's check the airlock side. The dust. It's coming from outside. I see it, Lucky. Stay back.
The anomaly is aligned with the exterior slope beyond HAB1.
Checking signal. It's clean near the core. Fractured here on the ridge. Found it. Commencing EVA protocol. Keep watch, old friend. I'll be back. Pulse peak, there it is again.
Interference on the flash.
Same source, heading out, signal strong. I see it.
Pulse steady. Route confirmed. Transfer path locked.
Pulse is thickening. Something's here. We're seeing the same pattern on our end. Slowing down. Looking at something. Description? Analyzing structure. Downward pull. Not debris. Confirmed. Clear the base.
Analyzing the conduit. It's not standard issue. Signal integrity check. The power source is active.
I've got it. The headset is active. It's tied to the Earth distortion. The pulse. It's reacting. What do you mean? It's responsive, not passive. I can hear it now.
The line continues below the surface. I need to follow the buried path downhill. Cables clear.
Warm through the glove.
Resonance confirmed. Tracking power.
Proceed with caution. The cable goes here. The energy source must be inside the crack.
Analyzing structure integrity. Reading. Erratic.
Caution advised. Approach slowly.
I heard something. A hum after the echo.
Something below is still active. The readings are stable. Initiating confirmation signal. Verified. It's stable.
The signal distortion is severe. Analyze the fracture field. The fissure system is feeding the distortion. Isolate the coupling. The pulse dropped for 1 heartbeat, then surged back stronger. Mechanical contact here controls the anomaly path. Now to introduce a clamp for a safer test. Analyzing the configuration now. There's a second line, lower down. Confirmation required, double burial protocol initiated. Starting excavation. All right, this is it. It's moving. Watch out, here it comes. Stand clear. Let's see what this is. That's new. Readings are spiking. Active pressurization. Earth, come in. This is K-Aidens. Status report. We're experiencing major interference. Signal breaking up. I'm near the plate. Turning on the light.
The ribs continue into a curved chamber. A buried structure lies directly beneath the slope.
Responding to illumination. I see them, they're active. Checking the cable integrity. Secure? Seems solid, hold on.
Broken cadence confirmed. It's the chamber. Initiating link protocol.
The carrier is stable.
Confirming clean signal.
Disconnecting to verify.
Loss of signal verified. Disconnecting now. Brace for impact. Connection lost. System mediating. I feel it. Stabilizing. Status critical. The structure is active. Marking for immediate retreat.
Subsurface motion is too strong. I'm reading unstable frequencies. Must judge the return line now.
Distance is decreasing. Visibility is dropping. Signal integrity failing. I can't locate the benchmark. Systems report disorientation.
Visibility is down to 0.
Hab 1 is gone.
Risky, but it's now or never. The cable is secured. There's an interface here. Initiating diagnostics.
Pulse sharpening. Data coming through.
The ring reflects the lamp in a smooth curve, untouched. The hardware has remained sealed. I am engaging it now.
The ring is a live control point. Status verified.
Monitor output.
It worked.
It's going down, not up. Whoa! Too much power! The slope's shifting. Get back!
The link is undeniable. Watch how the environment responds.
The localized airflow is changing rapidly. The surface particles are being drawn down against the wind. The buried system is fully engaged.
The pulse now travels through my entire stance. Activation is spreading through the slope itself. Commencing controlled stabilizing link.
Cable secure. Stand by for sync.
Copy that. Proceed to lock.
I've restored the carrier. Hab 1, do you copy? Signal received. Welcome home, Aiden. I'm pulling out now. Conditions are worsening.
The second beat is slower, heavier, and not synchronized with the restored carrier.
The signal is strong. It's propagating rapidly through the rock. Monitor the surface integrity. The pulse is increasing. Status on glove residue.
The grains are moving in a pattern.
Mechanical, not geologic.
Clamp free. It's rejecting. Back off, now!
The slope's failing. Grab the cable. Grab it now. Cable snapped. The direct surface feed is broken. Is it done? Has the deeper beat stopped? Assessing. Give me a second. The signal is gone. I'm abandoning the site. Visibility drop. Losing landmarks.
Hold on, Aids. Use the line.
Finding it now. Let's move. Loose crust. Careful, careful. The terrain is unstable. Watch out! The ridge is collapsing. Run. Affirmative! Retreating to higher ground. The nearest marks fade in and out under moving dust sheets. The safe route is fragmenting. I need a harder reference point.
Nothing. Signal's gone.
No bearing.
Fine metal.
Still here. Get inside. Seal the hatch.
Something's wrong. The signal's clean, but it's not our signature.
Analysis complete. This signal doesn't originate from inside the habitat. The carrier steadies. The bridge is active, but the source... It's not Earth alone. I think it's the hull. Yes, there, right there. Lucky, what do you hear? Stay down, boy. I'll check. The signal is shifting. By how much? A few centimeters.
It's moving through the structure.
Clean carrier. Relay click. Rhythmic reply established. It's under control now, waiting for the pattern. Affirmative. Standing by.
The pattern is repeating. Whimper. It's a measured answer. Contact. Something's out there. It's syncing with the transmission. Transmission's clear now, but the tapping is still here. Something's followed it. Something's outside.